Hey guys, in this video I will talk about the best butane torches. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. I will provide you brief information about these products. If you want to know about the price and other information about these products, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Authenzo Kitchen Butane Torch. Authenzo is a brand that is trusted by many culinary professionals because of its high-quality products and professionalism. Their butane torch lighter is perfect for both professional cooks and home cooks as well. Apart from using it for desserts, you can also use it for meat barbecue, small handicrafts, a cigar lighter and several others. The intensity of the heat can reach up to 1300 C 2500 F. As it is adjustable, you can set the temperature as per the requirements. Because of piezo ignition technology, you can torch at any angle, upside down, and even operate with just one hand easily. It comes with sturdy brass nozzle and windproof function which will not let the flame blown away easily. Durable aluminum alloy metal and non-slip handle will let you use the torch lighter for longer time without any issues. A safety security lock is implemented in the torch which will prevent accidental ignition and improper operation. Wide base will keep the torch steady. Aluminum alloy metal is used making this product which makes it durable and long-lasting. Positive side of this product, easy to operate and refill. Can be used for multiple purposes apart from using it for desserts. Optimum temperature that reach up to 1300 degrees centigrade 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjustable torch flame refillable gas option. Sturdy brass nozzle. Non-slip handle. Safe and durable. Negative side of this product, doesn't come with butane fuel. You have purchased it and failed to use the torch. Number 2. Thermal Versaflame Multifunction Butane Torch. Thermal 2200 Versaflame is a butane torch that pretty much anyone can find a use for. This reliable little machine comes with a set of accessories that make it perfect for a huge variety of tasks, and all that at a reasonable price. The body of the Versaflame is made out of a combination of metal and hard, reliable plastic. This butane torch has a gas canister of its own, which is pretty large. In fact, you can get as much as 75 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge. This torch is equipped with a safety mechanism, so it's safe to carry in your toolbox. The construction of the torch is quite intricate, and it gives you a lot of control over the size and the temperature of your flame. Coupled with one of the accessories you get, you can complete almost any job that requires heat with this inexpensive tool. Included are a blower, deflector, flame diffuser, a soldering tip for circuit boards, a sponge, a wrench, and all of that is neatly packed into a nice, sturdy case. Positive side of this product. Has large tank capacity and longer run time of 75 minutes. The flame control features for both torch and flame operation in various temperatures. The premium quality stainless steel material to provide long durability. Negative side of this product. The quality of the product igniter is not up to the mark. Number 3. PowerProbe Montana Micro Torch. This PowerProbe butane torch comes with an impressive burn time of about 2 hours. It has the capacity to create a continuous flame for up to 0.5–2.5 inches, with a temperature of 2000 degrees F. It comes with various soldering tips and a case to keep all in one place. It is widely used for soldering, loosening rusted nuts and bolts, wrapping, shrink and other jobs. It is an electronic handy tool that includes accessories like blower tip, hot knife, heat shrink adapter shield, rosin core solder and solder attachment. This electronic lighter is unreliable at sometimes and may leak fuel. It is little expensive than other models, and one can easily use this kit for small household projects, kitchen and jewelry making, but not suitable for large professional tasks. It comes with electronic ignition and flame adjustment, and it is easily refillable with butane. Its dimensions are 4.5 x 1.7 x 6.7 inches, and weighs about 8 ounces. Positive side of this product. It comes with long burn time of about 2 hours. Has electronic ignition and flame adjustability. It comes with small in size and big on application, 580 BTU, 120 W. Negative side of this product. A few reported that electronic lighter is unreliable and leakage issue. The tips can be difficult to attach. A little bit pricey product. Number 4. AC Deluxe Butane Power Torch with built-in ignition system. If you're looking for an inexpensive solution for your jewelry making, electric repair, or cooking project, we recommend the SC Deluxe MT3001 Butane Torch. This small butane torch comes at almost half the price of other butane torches, yet considering that, it's reasonably well built and constructed. This butane torch is quite small, and its built-in fuel tank can hold up to 22 ml of butane gas. This gives you approximately 40 minutes of continuous run time on a single fill of fuel. When it comes to the flame strength, the maximum flame length this torch creates is somewhere around 2 inches. Since this is quite short compared to bigger butane torches, this model is a great pick for detailed work such as jewelry making. The model has a gas adjustment slider on the right side. The max flame temperature is around 2370 degrees Fahrenheit, which is as strong as any regular butane torch. Positive side of this product, very inexpensive butane torch for everyday use. The maximum flame length is about 2 inches, great for detail work. Negative side of this product, most parts are plastic, not durable. Number 5. Phenolate Butane Torch Blow Lighter. Phenolate Butane Torch is a great pick for anybody who's looking to get a fair quality torch, without the hassle of refilling. This model is quite inexpensive, yet it delivers a good and reliable flame day after day. However, it's primarily made out of plastic, but it has a metal flame tube. As with most butane torches, its flame can reach up to 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. This butane torch has a pistol-style design with a squeeze trigger instead of a button as its ignition switch. An interesting selling point of the phenolate is that it can be used upside down. The flame is windproof and moisture-proof. Of course, the comfort of use depends on the size of the butane can you opt for, but you'll be happy to know that changing an empty can is easy, quick, and simple. You simply need to snap it in place and twist it. However, you should make sure to get butane cans with short nozzles and snap joints. Most camping stove butane brands will work. When it comes to flame adjustment, 2 adjustment knobs control the size and the shape of your flame. Some customers complained that the flame size is not consistent, so look further if you plan to do high precision work. Positive side of this product. Doesn't have its own butane canister attached to a butane can. Can be used upside down. Negative side of this product. Inconsistent flame strength. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.